Alright guys, we have another project here. In this house, we're gonna fix a pool table. We're gonna replace the felt on the table, in the pool table. So we're here in this house, a big house. So we're gonna work on it.
5 rooms.
No, 6.
6.
Yeah,
6 na para dalawa sa baba.
6 rooms. It's all rounded. No good. This is good. All right, no more bolts. It's already screw right there. Okay, last one. All right, it's not a staple. It's a million of screws right here, right there. Now we need to screw this thing out. There's a lot of 6 packets.
Pako niya, pako.
It's glue, staple. Staple, no 3M glue. All right, we're done on this project here. Just need to clean it up a little bit. We'll replace this, replace this. Now it's new. Very nice one. Yep. A lot of work. Staple, too much screw, too much bolts. So, yep. So there you go, guys. Full table is done. So this is only, we've been here like 5 hours fixing this.
It's very dirty.
Let's play brand new. Everything. Brand new table. Alright guys, we're done on this. It's snug and tight. All legs have been secured. Too many bolts. Every legs they have like 12 bolts on it. So yeah, so there's a lot of bolt on this thing. So yep, it's crazy. So we just replaced that. Nice. Okay, we have a new felt over here. Even in the side bumper here, we just put it in. New felt here. So we secured everything. Alright guys, so that's how you fix a pool table. Too many works, too many things to do. Staple, you can glue it if you want. Staple is a lot more work to do because you're gonna remove them, but this is the best way to do it, the staple. And also, and on here, like 30 or 40 staples that's gonna be on this bumper alone. But on all the side, probably like 100 or 200, something like that. So I just finished like a box of staple on this thing. Yeah, right there. So very nice one. So it was bad before. Everything was been beaten up by the Q. So Look at that on the top as well. You always hit the ceiling with the queue. So yeah, and everything else is all done. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's how you do a pool table project. Thanks guys. Bye. Alright guys, we're done in this property. We just fixed that pool table. So we're heading to Davenport area, do some kitchen work. So, and then we're gonna go ahead also to the roofing that we're going to work on it. So yeah, we're done here. So we're gonna drive to Davenport area. Right now we're over here at the Champions Gate area. So alright guys, so this is Pinoy Handyman, Pinoy of all trade. Thank you again for watching my channel. Take care and God bless guys. Thank you. Bye.